So third problem is calculation of sacrifice ratio and new ratio. So in before classes we studied that how to calculate sacrifice ratio and new ratio. In this problem both together we are calculating sacrifice ratio and new ratio. So Praveen and Naveen are a partners sharing profits in the ratio of 7:3. They admitted Reena for a 1/5 share of profit which he takes equally from Praveen and Naveen. So calculate sacrifice ratio and new ratio for profit sharing ratio. So Praveen and Naveen are having sharing profits ratio is 7:3, and they admitted Reena for a 1/5 share of a profit. So we need to calculate profit sharing ratio and new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio. So Reena's share is 1/5 portion. Reena's share is 1/5 portion. So and sacrifice ratio of P and Q 1:1 ratio. So that we can mention as a 1/2 is to 1/2 that ratio. And Praveen's sacrifice ratio is 1/5 ratio. So 1/5 into 1/2. This 1/5 into 1/2 ratio. So he will get as a 1/10 as a sacrifice ratio. And we need to say for now Naveen sacrifice ratio. Naveen sacrifice ratio is 1/2 is into 1/2, so we'll get as a 1/10 as a sacrifice ratio. Now we need to find out for the new ratio. So new ratio amount is, so for the new ratio we have a formula, that is new ratio equals word ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So new ratio word ratio minus sacrifice ratio, that is 7. Share of Praveen is 7/10 minus 1/10. Sacrifice ratio is 1/10. So he will get as a 6/10 as a new ratio. And now we need to calculate it for the new share of Naveen. New share of Naveen. New share of Naveen is how much? 3/10 minus word ratio is 1/10. So he will get as a 2/10 as a new ratio. So Rina's share is 1/5 share and he'll get as a 2/10. So therefore new ratio is 6 is to 2 is to 6 is to 2 is to 2. So that you can make it less also, 3 is to 1 is to 1.